Hi everyone, this is Ramesh and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the real number chapter in the subtopic logarithms, exercise number 1.5. So, here what is logarithm? The definition of logarithm is that if a and b are two real positive real numbers, where a is not equal to 1, in the condition of where a is not equal to 1, then the a to the power of x equal to b. Here the x is the logarithm of b of base a. Clearly about this definition I have done the previous video. You can go through that introduction about the logarithms and the definition. That video there I have explained clearly what is logarithm and what is the uses of logarithm. You can see that video, then come to this video. Here in this video I will explain you that complete formulas of logarithms and with some examples. So here the logarithm, definitely here a should not be equal to 1. It is more than 1. See here it is in the exponential form, a to the power of x equal to b. Then if you write in the logarithm form where x equal to log b base a. Here we write as a log, short form of logarithm we write as a log b base a. Here the base, normally if there is no base in the question, if they have given some question there is no base in the question, always you remember the base as a 10. Normally we use as a base as a 10 or not e. E is a, some of them they use as a base. Suppose here whatever the x question, the base we can use as a 10 or not, we can use the base as a e. E is known as a Euclid. Some of them will say that it is a mathematical constant like a Euclid constant, and if we use the value of this is 2.178 etc. It is a irrational number. E also will be known as a irrational number. Some of them there is a tells as a E as a irrational number. But normally in our 10th class we use the base as a 10. If base is a 10 or e, it is known as a normal logarithm. Normal logarithm. So if there is no base, always you can use 10 as a base. So remember this. So let's take some formulas. What formulas we use it? Actually, what is logarithm? As I said, this is a definition. Mainly the logarithms, mainly the inverse powers of the exponential functions, inverse of the exponential functions. Here historically the math scholars use these logarithm to change this multiplication into additions. They turn it multiplication into additions, divisions into subtraction to do the calculations very easy before inviting the calculators. So let's see how the multiplication they convert into the additions and how the division they convert into the subtractions. Let's see. The formula number 1 we use it here, log x into y base a equal to, here it is a multiplication. The log x into y base a equal to log x base a plus log y base b. This is the first formula, remember that. This is known as a product rule also. Product in the sense multiplication. It is known as a product rule. So log x into y base a equal to log x base a plus log y base. It's very simple. Let's see one example on this. Log 25 into 36 base 10 equal to 1. Let's convert this simple. Log 25 base 10 plus log 36 base 10. Simple. Here log 25 base 10 value can be converted. This 25 cannot be written as a 10 and this 10 cannot be converted to 25. So we left it here itself. So this will be happens if and only if. These are the known as the laws of logarithms. Laws of logarithms. There are 10 formulas. Here about 10 formulas I will give you. These 10 formulas are known as a laws of logarithm. Laws of logarithms. So if it is in this form, you can also convert it to this form. If it is in this form, you can also convert it in this form. Let me give you one more example to be understand. Log here 100 into 1000 base 10 equal to. Where it is able to simplify, we need to simplify. See, log x into y base a equal to log x base a plus log y base b. So sorry, base b not here, base a itself. Sorry. Okay. Then here we use it log 100 base 10 plus log 1000 base 10. Base will be same on this. So let us write here this c as here we can write here this one. If you simplify log, this is 10 square is a 100 or not. There will be some more formulas in the future we learn it. This we can write as a 10 square and base 10. This 100 I can write as a 10 square and base 10 plus this 1000 we can write as a 10 cube and base 10. Okay, where you can simplify till here. So this multiplication you have written as a addition. Then later becomes here that okay, these two the powers will come front of this. There is a one formula actually in the logarithm. That formula also I will explain here. Before that only I will solve it here, so that in the future you can understand. You remember this problem. Okay, when I explain that formula, you can understand that how I am writing this, why I am writing this in this way. This power I have written in the front of logarithm. Okay, this power I have multiplied with this logarithm. Why it happened? There is a formula in the logarithms. I will explain you that. And here this value will be 1. Why this value is also 1? There is a one proof again. That also I will explain. Okay, 2 plus 3 that equal to 5. This value will be 5. So because I simplified this, now just you learn that log x into y equal to log x plus log y of whatever the base they have given. So let's go for the next question. The next problem formula. Second formula, log x by y base a equal to. Here it is a product. Here it is a quotient, that means division. Let's see that. What? Log x base a minus log y base a. Log y base a. Okay, here it is known as a quotient rule. Quotient rule. So we get the quotient. When you are dividing, you get the quotient. This is called as a quotient rule. Let's take some examples in the quotient rule. Log 125 by base 100. Sorry, log 125 by 100 of base 10 equal to log 125 base 10 minus log 100 base 10. Log x by y we have written as a log x minus log y of base 10. So here, if you take one more example in the same way, you have to write here the product rule. The multiplication we have written as addition. Here the divisions, the quotient we have written as a subtraction. To make our calculation simple. Here we cannot be simplify again because 10 cannot be converted to the 125 or 125 cannot be written as a 10. Here we can simplify again. Log 100 base 10 equal to 2 actually. The answer will come as a 2. Okay, that will use it. Okay, then we go for the third formula. The third formula where this comes here tells about this formula. Okay, the formula is very important formula. Log x to the power of m base a equal to log x to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a. M will come right here. This m will multiply through this logarithm, or this 2 will write as a same. So in the same way I have written this 2 I have written friend, and this log 10 base 10 I have written as same again. So what is log 10 base 10 value, that also we will learn later in the, there is a one formula actually. Okay, here see m log x to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a. This is formula. Let me tell you some examples on this. Log 2 to the power of 3 base 5. Suppose base anything. If it is bases, normally there is no base, we use as a 10. So this 3 will come friend according to the formula m. That means 3 log 2 base 5. Yes, exactly what you guessed. Let's next we go for that. I try to one more. Try to guess it. Log 5 to the power of 3 base 10. That equal to, yes. Your guess is that. Here 3 or not. Here you take as also 5. We take as a 5 or you take as a 6. We come as a 6 like that. Okay. Log 5 base 10. Simple. Very simple. So this formula is also very important. This is called as a power rule, product rule, multiplication, quotient rule, division, power rule. Here three rules are there. So this is the power rule. Let's go for the fourth one. So remember these all formulas. These all formulas are very important to solve our logarithms completely. So next we get the same like third formula only, but little change in this. We go for the fourth one here. Log a to the power of x to the power x of log x base a to the power of n equal to, here before it was x to the power of m, now here a to the power of n, in the base we have exponent. So what we have to do? Simple thing. So here x to the power is what here? Nothing but 1. If x doesn't have exponent in the sense, always it has a 1 as a exponent, then it comes like 1 by n. 1 by n, same one you write log x base a. Simple. This is what? See, if base has any exponent, it comes as a 1 by n log x base a. Let me explain you some examples here. Suppose log 5 of base 25 is there. What's the value of this? This also we solved in the previous video. You can see that. So let's write this log 5. This 25 we can write as a 5 square. So this 5 we can write as a 5 to the power of 1. Nothing but this we can write like this. 1 by 2 of log 5 base 5. This 1 by 2 comes front. Okay. Here log 5 base 5 value is 1 actually. So how come it is 1? I will explain in the next formula. That you can see. The answer is 1 by 2 here. Let me explain you the second example here. Log 5 2 to the power of 3, that equal to, here log 5 to the power of 1 we can write, and here 2 to the power of 3 now. Hence we can write this 1 by 3 comes front. This 3 directly we should not write as a 3 here. It is the exponent of base. So we have to write as a 1 by 3 here. 1 by 3. So log 5 base 2. Remaining we have to write as the same again. If you are able to convert into the anything again, you can able to solve the problem. There you can solve it again. So let's see, the third formula and fourth formula is correlated. No, the fifth formula, the combination of third and fourth. The fifth formula is combination of third and fourth. Let's write log x to the power of m a to the power of n equal to, this is important actually to understand that these two, if you understand third and fourth, the fifth one is very easy. Simple that m by n now. M by n log x base a. M by n log n base a. This m and n will come as a m by n and will multiply to the log x, whatever the base will be there. So let's write some examples of this now. Log 2 to the power of 3 and 5 square. How can we write this now? Simple. 3 by 2 log 2 base 5. I hope you understand that how I have written this. Let me go for the second example here again. Now 5 to the power of 6 and 3 to the power of 2. Yes, or 3 to the power of 7. As we can write 6 by 7 of log 5 base 3. Yes. I hope you understand these 5 formulas. Again, remaining 5 formulas are there. Now, the next one, the sixth formula is that log a base a equal to always 1. When log value and base value is same, it is equal to always 1. Log 1, log a and base a equal to 1. For example, many times I have written here while solving problem. Log 10 base 10 equal to 1, log 2 base 2 equal to 1, log 100 base 100 equal to 1. Whatever, log value and base value is same, there we get 1. See, log 5 base 5 equal to 1. See, log a and base a is equal to always 1. Let's see the next seventh one is that log 1 of any base equal to 0. The log 1 of any base equal to 0. Log 1 of base 10, whatever. See, for example, log 1 of base 10 equal to 0. Log 5, log 1 of base 7 equal to 0. Log 1 of base 5 equal to 0. Log 1 of base 2 equal to 0. Whatever. Log 1 of any base equal to 0. This you need to be remember. This is called as the identity rule. This is identity rules actually. These two identity rules. Powers, the product rule, quotient rule, power rules we have learned till the 5 formulas. This is identity rules. These two are. Next, we go for one more formula where it is very useful for us actually. So this normally here log x to the power of m base a equal to log x to the power of n base a. See that in the both the side, LHS side and RHS side, log x to the power of m base a, log x to the power of n base a. That means log x base a, log x base a, both are same actually. Hence, you cancel this all, when we get m equal to n, then m equal to n. Here we can see the example actually. Log 5 to the power of 3 base 2, that equal to log 5 to the power of, here log 5 to the power of 3 base 2. So both are same, hence you get that this both values are, suppose 5 to the power of x, then you can write here x equal to 3. So this log 5 base 2, log 5 base 2 we can cancel, where x equal to 3 we can write the remaining terms. So next two formulas, in the sense, from that one of the formula is this one, ninth one. This ninth one you see, where we can write here a to the power of log. Here log in the power of exponent, that means the exponent form. A to the power of log n base a equal to n. So remember, a to the power of log n base a. The log n base a is in the exponent form, in the exponential place actually. It is in the base and this is exponent. So log a to the power of log n base a. These two should be same. Then only the answer will be n. That means whatever here. Let's see some example here. 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 equal to 5 and 5. Both are same, no? Answer is 7. So 6 to the power of log 11 base 6 equal to 11. These both are same again. So let's see the last formula. The last formula, the 10th formula is that same. Here exponential form and logarithm form. Exponential form and logarithm form. What is exponential form? Here a to the power of x equal to b, where x equal to log b base a. Let's see, log x, a to the power of x equal to b. Then this x equal to log b base a. Based on this, I have solved the many problems in my previous video. There you can observe to write this. Suppose, for example, here also will take you 1 or 2 questions through 2 to the power of x equal to 32. 2 to the power of x equal to 32. So what is the value of x here? As we can write the value of x, that means here 32 we get by 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of x equal to 2 to the power of 5. Then x equal to 5 we get. Let's see by the logarithm. This is exponential form. We have to convert it to the logarithm form. Logarithm form, in the sense, see here x equal to log 32 base 2. This 2 will come in the base place. Then 32, how can you write the 32? By factorize 32, 2 16 2 8s 2 4s and 2 2s. That means here we can write the 32 as in log 2 to the power of 5 base 2. Here is in the form of power rule, like log a to the power of m or x to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a. By using that formula, x equal to 5 of log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 again, log a base a equal to 1. In that case, x equal to 5 into 1, that x equal to 5. So this is a simple example. This exponential form we change into the logarithm form, then we have solved the answer. So this is very important again, 10th one. That's why I told this is at last. And the previous video about only this formula, the complete video and what is logarithms, we have already learned it. That introduction part and this formula part. If you are perfect, then we can do the exercise problems in our next video. Till that time, practice this both. Keep smiling. Bye.